Today's focus is on burns and scalds, injuries caused by heat, chemicals, electricity, or friction. Burns are categorized by depth. Superficial burns affect the outer layer of the skin. Partial thickness burns damage deeper layers. Then you have full thickness burns, extend through all skin layers. And here's how to treat them. Cool the burn immediately with cool running water for at least 20 minutes. This reduces pain, swelling, and tissue damage. Remove jewelry or clothing near the burn unless stuck to the skin. After cooling, cover the burn with a sterile, non-fluffy dressing or cling film. Never apply creams, oils, or ice. Call 999 for burns that are deep, larger than the casualty's hand, on the face, the hands, feet, or genitals, or caused by chemical or electricity. Burns can worsen quickly, so prompt cooling and correct care are vital.